What is up, guys? Welcome to the FilthyKnobsOff-Road YouTube channel. My name is Johnny, and finally got some warm weather here in Michigan, so figured to get outside and install this 38 Motorsports larger rear brake pedal. If you ride with boots, and if you're like me, maybe not, I miss the brake pedal a lot, and then end up trying to grab the front brake, and that's just a no-go. So we're gonna try to install this larger brake pedal to eliminate that. Only thing you need to do is you'll need a drill and a drill bit, and you can do it while it's on the quad. You don't need to remove the lever. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna come over here to the quad, and what we're gonna have to do is, with our drill and drill bit, drill out this rivet to remove the original brake pedal here. As you can see, it's quite smaller, finger for size, so you can see how easy it is to miss it if you're wearing boots. So we're gonna get the drill bit over here and we're gonna start working on this thing. Alright, we got the old one off, and you can see sitting next to the new one how much bigger this one is, and it's kind of lighter than the little one, which is awesome. So next step we're going to do is we're going to head back over there. We're going to use some Scotch-Brite and clean it off before we install this one. Alright, we got that all cleaned up. Now before we install this, you're going to notice that there's 3 bolts. 2 long ones and then 1 small one in the center. It says to use the center one with the factory hole that we just drilled out. So we're going to run these out. Going to install the center one for right now and see how it looks. And there we go, easy as that. One other thing, I didn't do it right now because I'm gonna take it back off, is to add Loctite to that center one so it does not move. You know how these machines run, they rattle bolts loose, so I want to add Loctite. I'm gonna see how this feels. I'm gonna mark my second hole and drill that out, but probably won't do that for this video. Probably gonna end it here, but here's what it looks like, and here's what it looks like with trying to fit a boot on it too. There you have it. That's the end of this video. I can already tell just by jumping on it that I can probably going to be able to grab that rear brake a lot easier. Once the snow melts, I'll be able to get out and really ride and really try it out. But one other tip, if I didn't say it already, make sure you put Loctite on that center bolt. If you're not using the other bolts, or drill yourself out a hole to use those other bolts, just make sure you put Loctite on it regardless, so it doesn't come off on you. If you like this video or any of these how-to videos, follow our YouTube channel. We got a lot of how-to videos for YXZs, YFZs, Polaris Razor, anything off-road we like to do. We got riding videos. So go ahead and check the rest of this channel out. And until next time,